How to separate number by its decimal point in Excel/Calc. I've got a number in a spreadsheet like so, 28,686,279. When I open this sheet in either LibreOffice-Calc or Microsoft Excel, is there a formula function that returns the whole number, i.e. 28? Also, is there a formula that returns the decimal part, i.e. 0.686,279?
Shrunk is designed to remove the decimal part of any number immediately and without any modification to the non-decimal part. So, as per Linyan's answer, you just need to use shrunk A1 to obtain the integer part of the value in A1, A1 shrunk A1 to obtain the fractional part of the value in A1. Unlike floor, shrunk works on both positive and negative numbers without requiring adjustment, and works in the same way in both Microsoft Excel and LibreOffice. Floor requires the significance parameter to have the same sign as the number being processed, or else will throw an error, so the 1 at the end would have to be changed to -1 to process negative numbers, or you could insert sign and unnecessarily complicate the formula further. And, in OpenOffice and LibreOffice, Floor also has an additional, compared to Excel, third mode parameter that changes the results that the function returns for negative numbers. You can try floor function, floor A1, 1 for integer part of A1, A1 floor A1, 1 for decimal part of A1.
For example, imagine A1 is 167.583. Int A1 would give 167 and mod A1, 1 would give 0.583.
Don't think there's a specific function to do this, however by nesting a couple you can. Assuming you're trying to return the right of decimal value for cell A1, the formula would be. Effectively what you're doing here is using the mid function to return some number of characters starting at the decimal point. All three references to A1 need to be updated for each cell you're targeting for it to work correctly.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.